2023. Today's world of business is ever changing, however, one thing is consistent: the need for business administrations. Business leaders must be familiar with the new technology and advancement to efficiently streamline modern office practices. By earning a Bachelor of Business Administration's degree online, you can learn the skills needed to achieve the position you desire in any type of industry that interests you. A bachelor's program in business administration is one of the most versatile degrees a student can pursue. You will most likely explore topics in economics, marketing principles, business law, accounting, business statistics, as well as leadership and management. Your skill can be used in careers such as a marketing coordinators, healthcare administrators, advertising and promotions manager, human resources, bank management, or in a general and operations management positions. Just to name a few, a business administrator's responsibilities cover a wide array of duties. They often include overseeing the day-to-day operations of a business to help the company meet productions and financial goals. They make sure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently as well as stay organized and profitable. Frequently asked questions. Check out our additional FAQs below. What kind of job can I get with a Bachelor in Business Administration? Business consultants, human resources specialists, sales manager, and many more. Can I start my own business with a business administration's degree? Yes, the Bachelor of Business Administration's degree is perfect for entrepreneurs. How long does it take to earn a BBA degree? About 4 years, 120 course hours. Table of contents, methodology, best online schools for bachelors in business administration, frequently asked questions, methodology. Our goal is that the few schools recommendations will aid you in pursuing an online educational program that fits your